Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to duplicate arrows in Tears of the Kingdom. First, let's look at a popular item duplication method using multi-shot bows. You'll need a bow that shoots 3 or 5 arrows at once, like those dropped by Lionel's. Head to a location where items fall after being shot, such as Tobio's hollow chasm. Fuse the material you want to multiply to an arrow, aim high, and fire. As the items fall, you can collect multiple. Next, for a direct way to get more arrows, try the Lightning Temple Pot exploit. Go to a specific room on the bottom floor of the Lightning Temple, near the entrance path. Place a travel medallion there. Now, fuse one of the standing pots in the room to any weapon you have. Warp back to your travel medallion, and when you break the fused pot, it will drop 10 arrows. The original pot will respawn, allowing you to repeat this process for an endless supply. Next, we have the Grint, a fantastic option that blends handicap tracking with a strong social element. Beyond just posting scores, the Grint allows you to connect with friends, share your rounds, and even verify scores. It provides in-depth statistics to help you understand your game better, from greens in regulation to putting averages. While a free version is available, their pro membership unlocks even more powerful analytics, making it a great choice for those who love data and community. Finally, let's cover the quick bow drop duplication method, which can be used for items you fuse to arrows. You'll need at least 2 bows and the material you wish to duplicate. Equip your first bow and fuse the desired item to an arrow. Pause the game, then drop the equipped bow. Immediately equip a different bow. Now, quickly press the plus button twice to exit and re-enter the menu. Drop the second bow, then pick up both dropped bows to find you have duplicated your fused item.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.